Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I still think this is very likely a 1. I still think this is a 2, and I still think it is going to keep on going up on this monthly time frame, making higher highs, higher lows, eventually going up and taking out these highs and looking something like this. So for now, let's head down to the weekly time frame, because we definitely have been going down for several weeks now, but I still think this push up is a 1. I still think this is a running flat wave 2 in the middle. If that's true, that would make this right here wave 1. This would probably be an ABC of 2, and this would probably be going up eventually once the wave 2 is over to finish off that wave 3, 4, and 5 like I was showing on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the daily. On the daily time frame, I think this 5 waves up right here, ending right here, is clearly a wave 1. I think this is also very clearly 5 waves down right here, which I think is a leading diagonal wave A. I think this is 1, 2, 3 waves up, especially looking at correlated pairs, as a wave B. I believe we are going down now. It does have a little bit of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape, and it doesn't necessarily have to take out these lows, but I still think it is more likely that it will take out these lows, probably go down to at least a 50% to finish off what I think is a wave C of 2 before it actually does end up continuing the uptrend for that big wave 3. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame, we definitely do have a little bit of that 3, 4, 5 shape going on right here, but for me, this is the 1 and the 2 over here, and if this is a 1, 2, that means we're in a wave 3. If this is a wave 3, this is way too small to be a complete wave 3, which tells me it probably is going to continue the downtrend. Maybe we're just in a pullback, just a subdivision of that downtrend. Either way, unless this thing actually goes up and starts breaking structure to the upside, I personally am definitely looking for shorts on shorter time frames. So taking it down to the 1-hour time frame, which is where I got my Fibonacci retracement, we actually have almost a perfect 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. So it does look like with this break of structure that we have the end of a trend, but it's only the end of this trend. It definitely isn't the end of a trend on the higher time frames, which tells me that this probably is going to spend at least today, maybe even tomorrow, in a pullback, which actually for me is great news, because at the end of this pullback is where I'll be looking to go short again. 3 waves up to a Fibonacci retracement level and pulse engulfing down, break of structure is exactly what I'd be looking for my next sorting opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend. Now, if you do trade the very short time frames like you're a scalper, then you could definitely be trying to go long at the end of a wave B, but I still think that the bigger money, the better, easier, more profitable trades are definitely going to be going short at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of the downtrend, which I still think is a wave 3 of C, which I believe is a wave C of wave 2 on like the daily time frame and up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thank you and happy trading.